Welcome back everybody, today's aboard a Campervan, and today we've got part 3 of our cupboards. I believe this will probably be the last part, and so essentially what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be finishing that, left hand side cupboard door, which I think might be a problem opening it, because the other cupboard door underneath the fire is going to get in the way of that, I believe. But I can't put the hinges on the other side because there'll be a massive gap where it has to clear the fire cupboard door. So I'd rather have it not open quite way. I'm also going to be doing the cupboards on the other side underneath Dad's bed, and there's only going to be one there. But I'm going to put 2 panels in as well, around that speaker I put underneath Dad's bed, so we can cover up the holes under there, so it look really nice, you know. It will have flat, lovely ply all over the place, and there'll be no holes, and it'll finally actually be complete, the outer shell of all these everything we put up, you know, the beds and the actual structure for the countertop, and yeah, it's all actually going to come together and almost look finished, but we probably will give it a paint at some point. Anyway, let's get on with it. Right, so back working on cupboards today. Not doing anything special, just putting a little bit of this trim on again. So just doing this bottom bit here. I just need to do these 2 side bits again. It's £5 a strip this is though, so it's expensive stuff. But it does help. Make things look a little bit better. So we just need 2 side bits, as I say, so we get the measurements on it now. Alright, so that's exactly 29.5 inches. Centimetres. Give us a quick sand down there. This is perfect, absolutely perfect. Get these 2 done now. 30 centimetres. Yeah, they're both about 30 centimetres. So we need 4 30 centimetres then, don't we? Yeah, we'll start with that, 4 30 centimetres. A bit more behind there actually. There we go. I haven't finished those 2 bits at each end because I'm not sure what's going to happen there. This one might get in the way of this cupboard when I put it in, but for now that's most of the trim done on those 2 cupboards now, and that one there. Not not too bad. Got my 4 bits of wood. Look at me. Well, they fit. I know, trust me. I know how botch it is. This is the straightest I can get it. I don't know what I need to do about it. I don't have a table saw. Anyway, I've got another strip of this beading. I'm going to put it over the top here. Cover up that line. See how this speaker's loosened now, yeah? I'm going to put this in. Almost wedges in perfect, so put another bit of stud work in there. And then speaker should fit in there perfectly. Look at that. And then this bit of ply here. We'll cover that up. See? This is just a hole for the speaker. There we are. The only thing that's not secure now is this speaker. Find a way of attaching that now. Right, speaker's secure enough. Now, now I'm going to stick our first panel on. Just with some grip feel, my best friend. It's alright. It's a bit of a tight fit, that's why it's doing this. But I really cannot risk hiding it again. For obvious reasons. Right, I can finally do this last cupboard now. So there's going to be a little panel going in on this strip here. Because I made a cock up here. This should have been back a bit further, but I don't know what I did. Cocked up again. So there's going to be a little panel going in here that needs to be stuck in. Of course, yeah, slipping down. Duct tape's your best friend with this stuff. Right, so I want to put hinges on the inside. So we've got a spot here for the top hinge, but we haven't got a bit for the bottom hinge because the wood's not far enough out. So that's what I've got. So I've got this bit of offcut that I will now screw in. This will be where our hinges will go. So I'm screwing this cupboard in now. As you can see, this is as far as it opens, unfortunately. And I noticed a bit of a problem. It's because this bit of wood here, as you can see, they collide. Yeah, just more bad craftsmanship on my part. Anyway, that is not really too much of an issue, I don't think, it opening that far. Otherwise, if I try and make it clear that, I'm going to cause more problems for myself, I reckon. But anyway, that's not too bad actually, and it fits in there nicely at the moment, like that. $18 centimeters, so about 9. There we go. Couple of things I want to mention. One being, cocked up with this. The reason I put the handle there is because it's going to go there on this one. So now it just looks like there's handles all over the place. There's no symmetry to it, which really annoys me. But I suppose it's better than seeing holes. Also, yes, the drawer sticks out further than the cupboard doors. My mistake again. I don't know what really happened there, but it's going to cause too much work to redo it, really. So that's why there's a panel in there now. God, I'm no good at this sort of thing, am I really? But anyway, we've got our cupboards, and looks aight. Looks aight, doesn't it? It looks aight. Right, let's put a bit of strip of wood along here now to cover up this gap. Probably take it all the way to here, and I'll probably also have it go along there, a separate piece, of course. Just to get on. Yeah, 15 centimeters. That's it. Really nice strip. Going on the top of this one now. 52.5, because see if we put a bit. to stick this bit of trim on. This is not an equal length, this is about 9, just over 9.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 9 inches and we can fit 4 2¼ inches into 9. So that's what we do. Right, if I put my hand through here, the pencil, I can get where I want to the door to go to. It should be about there. I can draw a line, and then I know where it'll stop. Okay. There we go, and now I just need to screw it in. This is how awkward some jobs are. Good, does its job. It's one in. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed that video today. As you can see, yeah, like I said, that cupboard door doesn't really open fully, but I don't think it's too much of a problem, to be honest with you, and I couldn't have done it any other way really. Otherwise I'd have a massive gap. As for the one under Dad's bed, yeah, I'm happy with that. I'd like to have the hinges on the other side, but that would cause more problems than it would solve because there was nothing to mount the hinges to. See, it is a bit awkward getting under there. But I like what I've done, covering up the holes with around the speaker, so I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, that is pretty much the cupboard's done, and thankfully, because that's a pretty hard job for me, you know. I've not got very much experience with that sort of thing, but I did the best I could, and I think I haven't done too bad, to be honest with you. Anyway, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.